Stop scrolling for a moment, because the secret to stronger, greener, faster-growing plants may already be sitting inside your kitchen cupboard right now. And the surprising part is, most people either ignore it or throw it away without realizing how useful it can be for the garden. I'm talking about simple oatmeal. Yes, the same oats many people use for breakfast can be turned into a gentle, natural plant booster. It may help support healthier roots, stronger stems, greener leaves, and better growth. And the best part is, you only need 1 tablespoon to make almost 2 liters of natural liquid fertilizer for your plants. Before I show you the recipe, let's understand why this works. Oats are natural, affordable, and full of plant-friendly nutrients. They contain nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for root strength and flowering, and potassium for overall plant health. Unlike strong chemical fertilizers, this oat water mixture is gentle. It does not overload your plants with one heavy dose. Instead, it gives your soil slow, mild support over time. Now remember, this is not magic, and it does not replace good soil, sunlight, proper watering, or a complete fertilizer. But as a natural monthly boost, it's useful for tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, onions, and even indoor houseplants. Step 1. Take 1 tablespoon of regular plain oats. Do not use flavored or sugary oats, just simple plain oats. Add them to a blender, grinder, or coffee grinder and turn them into a fine powder. This step is important because crushed oats mix with water much better and release their nutrients more easily. Step 2. Take half a liter of warm water and add the oat powder into it. The water should be warm, not boiling. Stir it well for about 1 minute so the powder spreads through the water. Now, let it sit for a few hours. During this time, the water will absorb some of the useful nutrients from the oats. Step 3. After a few hours, strain the mixture using a fine strainer, cheesecloth, or clean cloth. This is important because you do not want thick oat pieces sitting on your soil or attracting unwanted smells. You only need the liquid. The leftover oat pulp can be added to compost if you have one. Step 4. Take the strained liquid and add 1.5 liters of clean water. Now you have almost 2 full liters of mild natural oat fertilizer ready for your garden. To use it, pour it slowly around the base of the plant, directly onto the soil. Do not spray it on the leaves. The roots are the part that need to absorb it. Use a small amount around each plant depending on its size. The best time to apply it is early morning or late evening, when the sun is not too strong. Use it once a month during the growing season. Do not use it every day, because gardening is all about balance. After a few weeks, you may notice your plants looking healthier with deeper green leaves and stronger stems. Remember, results depend on your soil and sunlight. If your plant is badly damaged, this fertilizer alone may not fix everything. This method is perfect for gardeners who want to reduce waste, save money, and use more natural ingredients. 1 small spoon of oats can make enough liquid to feed several plants, and 1 bag of oats can last a very long time. So before you spend money on expensive garden products, try this kitchen trick first. Your plants may thank you for it. Nature gives us so many useful things, but sometimes we forget that the best solutions are already inside our homes. Try this oat fertilizer this week and see how your plants respond. Tell me in the comments which plant will you try it on first. If this tip helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening ideas. I'll see you in the next video.